Alright guys, 2022 Ford Mustang GT50 Coyote. Woo. I like that new shiny emblem too. It's cool, black chrome. Anyways, what we got done on this beast is a full catback system by MBRP. So factory converter there and there, 2.5-inch pipe. Then the system starts from here with an H pipe right there. There's the H pipe. Then it continues 3-inch. And we always love to tack all the clamps because for some reason they seem to rattle after many years. So we just make sure we tack them so they don't rattle, you don't give you guys any trouble in the future. But there it is right there. And then there's the two tailpipes, one here and one right there. And then there's MBRP's J pipe for drone. So if you guys ever wonder why that looks like that, they call it a J pipe with a closed end. And what it does is the exhaust sound comes in here, the drone hits, bounces back and kills the drone and keeps going out the back. And there's the tips on it right there. Quad tips out the back. So it's straight pipe with drone cancel. And believe it or not, that J pipe does not take any of the sound away. And we do make our own set of J pipes. So if you guys ever if you ever have a car that just makes too much drone and you want to cut it down, bring it by and we can get it taken care of. You guys see his license plate, the property of the Smurfs. I like that. That's pretty cool. Like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And there's the factory system that was on it. What do you think of that factory system?
Oh, it's lame.
It's lame. So we took it off. There's a resonator, the intermediate pipes, and 2 mufflers. It did have the active exhaust. We cut it off. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh, much better. Decibels, go ahead. Much better. That double X makes a huge difference. Your sound decibels? 116. Again? You like it? He's happy. There's the owner. You happy?
I'll be deaf, but it's worth it.
Hell yeah! Bring it on. The nice thing about that system, there's no drone.
Yeah, that's what
so it sounds really good outside. Yeah, inside you barely hear it. Ford Mustang GT50. Sexy Smurf. Look at that thing. Just roars. It is so this just sounds it's so mean. Love it. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
The little message is because the valves are not installed anymore.
There we go. Listen to that thing roar. That sounds so good. Beast mode deserves that one. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it. Love it. Yeah, this sounds so good. Wow, that sounds really nice. That sounds really nice.